If you had to ask yourself, can I raise 5 million naira today if I need to really raise 5 million? Can I raise 20 million naira if I need to really raise 20 million naira? This is a skill. And it's not something that prayer will solve. It's something you need to learn. How do people raise money? There are many ways, particularly since we're talking business. How do I raise money for my business? Number one could be savings. Now, savings will not save you. Savings will not make you wealthy. Do you understand? But there could be targeted saving against a particular need. I want to save 5,000 naira monthly over the next 12 months. How much will that be in 12 months' time? Hello? I'm going to approach 10 people that I already have 60,000 naira. I'm going to 500. Now, if somebody meets you, say he wants 500,000 but he doesn't have anything, and the second person meets me saying he wants to raise 500 but he has 60, I'm going to attend more to the person that has 60. Why? It's the way life is. He has demonstrated enough commitment to put his skin in the game. This one, no skin in the game. Are you with me? So you want to meet people but you're at zero. Instead of meeting them at zero, say to them, I have my seed capital. This is my own part. I got 60,000 naira. So you can save towards it. So how do I have that savings? Wow. I don't want to start all of that today. We've talked about it a lot. By not buying clothes. By not buying shoes. I looked at a photo recently and I saw that one of the clothes I still wear today has been there since, I've been wearing it for 7 years now. Somebody say, 7 years. It's not worn out. It's not faded. We keep wearing it until I'm tired of it. Say, well, I'm not a TV personality. I'm not to impress anybody. I'm just here to do my thing. So that's how you save money, by reducing your trip to... I wanted to mention a brand, but I'm beginning to think that this brand will think that I have something personal against them. And interestingly, I go to the brand, I patronize them myself. So I'm not going to mention a particular brand. By reducing your frequency to those brands. Sometimes what you eat is the reason you are not able to eat your target. So please, put money aside. Save money, at least for that small... There are some of you